Hello, Gilbert. This is Joelle from Zoe SEO and Web Design. I spoke to, I believe it was Francesca yesterday, and I promised her that I would send you a short video that will give you some tips on how to boost business for top grade plumbing in Granada Hills. This is a free video, and I'm just wanting to help small businesses in the area. I hope that you like what I've created for you. So, what I would like to say first is that when someone needs a plumber quick, they are going to search Google for a number to call. It's the fastest way because we do not have access to a trusted phone book directory any longer. It's not sitting on our coffee table. You won't find it in our kitchen. It's not on our nightstand. Google has become that new directory. And Google has your website with your location, your phone number, areas you serve, the service you provide, and can even act somewhat as an assistant by receiving email communications, setting appointments, even when everyone else is at home asleep. In essence, a website works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and it doesn't require a paid vacation. However, Gilbert, when I was searching for plumbers in Granada Hills, I could not find top grade plumbing. Instead, I found several of your competitors in the Granada Hills area. So that means that unfortunately, about 96% of the plumbing business in Granada Hills is going to these other guys that are easy to find on Google. So Gilbert, I think that what I should say first of all is that it would really benefit top grade plumbing greatly if you were to have a website where customers can easily find you and request your services. So let's just take a look. Now at the top here, you can see there are some paid ads, but generally people know their ads and will pass over those ad listings. So the next thing you see is what's called the map pack. This is where companies have registered to do what's called Google My Business. They have done this so that they can be easily found in their respective regions. This is another way people would be able to find you very easily if you're at the top of this map pack. So take this scenario. The wife at home is suddenly overwhelmed with water spilling out everywhere in the bathroom, something similar to these toilets you see here. She calls her husband on the phone and he has to think fast. So what does he do? He quickly whips out his smartphone and Googles plumber Granada Hills. So these guys are the first to show up. What does he do? He quickly clicks on it. And immediately he has access to the plumber's website, phone number, and directions, and even some reviews to quickly scan, all at the click of a button. Within a few minutes, he has a plumber on the way to his home to help his wife, and he can get back to work. Now, how many plumbing situations are in fact emergencies just like this one? That easy access point is called Google My Business. This is something very easy to set up. And you don't even have to have a brick and mortar location or a website. Now let's go back to Google search. Just going to take this up here and search again. Now there are times that people who have more time will bypass the map pack section and want to see whose number or website is available or first in the organic search results. This is where just having your business number and address listed in Yelp is not going to help. customers will generally skip over the directories such as Angie's List, Home Advisor, and Yelp because they want to go straight to the business website. And they know that most of the time, these businesses on these lists do not have a website, that they can easily find the information that they need. Now, Gilbert, I usually create these little informative videos to show business owners how we can help them get to the top of this map pack and to the top of these organic search results. However, what I want to tell you today is that we can also create a nicely designed, beautiful website, just like this one, with all the features and desires that your customers would need and could have easy access to. And we can set you up very easily in this map pack to be easily found by customers in Granada Hills and the surrounding regions. We can develop a website for you, and we can also rank you to the top. So, Gilbert, if you are interested in maybe boosting your business and bringing in more customers, bringing in more revenue, then please respond to this email. If that's not a desire of yours, if you do not want to bring in more business this year, you didn't suffer at all last year, and things are good, then could you just please give me an email saying whether you liked or disliked this video? Give me a little feedback. I would greatly appreciate it. I thank you so much for taking the time to listen, and I hope to hear from you soon.